In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in Freshdesk Analytics. Whether you're new to this tool or looking to enhance your reporting capabilities, this guide is designed to walk you through the process, ensuring you can access and present all the relevant data seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Freshdesk account. This step is straightforward, but it's crucial, as accessing the Analytics module requires you to be inside your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Analytics section. This used to be known as Reports, but with Freshdesk's recent upgrades, it's labeled as Analytics now. This change marks the evolution from its predecessor and provides you with enhanced tools for comprehensive data analysis. Now, within the Analytics section, direct your attention to the dashboard header or near the search bar. Here, you should see a button labeled New Report. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the creation of your custom report begins. It's a fantastic tool because it allows you to tailor reports specifically to your needs, ensuring that you're not just looking at raw data, but you're viewing it in the most meaningful way for your business. When you click New Report, you'll see a field in the top left corner where you can name your report. Naming your report is an important step, as it helps you and your team identify it quickly. By default, any new report you create is set to private. This is convenient for when you're doing preliminary work that you might not want to share immediately. However, if you wish, you can change its visibility settings to make it accessible to others. This flexibility allows for easy collaboration among team members, making it a robust tool for group projects or broad data sharing. Choosing a name that clearly specifies the report's purpose can save you time in the future, especially when your library of custom reports begins to grow. Consider including key details or objectives within the report's title. This simple step is surprisingly effective for organization. With these steps completed, you're now set to customize and generate your report further as needed. Freshdesk's modern analytics module is an intuitive platform that lets you dig deeper into your metrics. While today's video covers foundational steps to get you started, there's plenty more to explore as you grow more comfortable with the system. That wraps up our tutorial on creating a custom report in Freshdesk Analytics. I hope this guide helps you in unlocking the potential of your data, and I look forward to hearing how you utilize this tool to enhance your business insights. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos.